In the debate, when considering whether sociology can actually be a science or would want to be a science, it is worth looking at some of the examples that possibly demonstrate that science itself isn't all that scientific. In this clip, we're going to quickly have a look at physics, and I've picked the example of black holes. Now, I don't know much about black holes, but the very basic idea is that when a star collapses, it will collapse inwards and create a black hole that will, if you like, suck in light, matter, time, all sorts of things. What's worth remembering about black holes, because they are widely publicised and talked about as a scientific reality, that they are all theory. A black hole has never been observed or really measured, and yet physicists claim that they exist and that they suck all this matter in, and they are at the beginning of our universe and possibly are going to be responsible for the end of our particular universe. So this sort of fits into the sociology versus physics debate. One of the main criticisms of sociology not being able to be a science is that you can't observe it, and you can't be really sure that a sociological theory is true because there are so many variables to do with humans, society, etc. However, when we look at physics, only 5% of our universe is visible. And of that, sort of 33% is dark matter and 62% is dark energy, which cannot be observed except indirectly through its gravitational effect on surrounding planets and stars, for example, and through very complex mathematical calculations. Think about Stephen Hawking's. The point here is, however little sociologists might know, they still know more than 5% of society's structure. They can still measure more than 5% of what society does. And actually, often sociologists' picture of the makeup of society is far more real and tangible than the picture of the universe presented by physicists. Therefore, when we consider whether sociology should be a science, we need to kind of make the argument, actually, sociology isn't subordinate to the physical sciences. Sociology knows as much about the society as physicists know about our universe. Essentially, if we believe that quantum physics are true, such as black holes, then we really should be believing that sociological theories are true also, even if you can't observe the phenomena and can't prove the sociological theories to be absolutely true, such as the fact that the organic analogy exists or the theory that patriarchy exists. So when we think about how to use this particular example in the question whether sociology should be a science, your main argument is, well, sociology is, if you like, on par with the physical sciences because at least we know more about our social reality than some sciences know about other scientific claims of truth.